Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this 5008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this is our current 5008 demonstrator. Some of its features include full LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, there's front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got part leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car also has advanced grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's a smartphone charging plate, some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. But it comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine with 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done under 4,000 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.